Let's be real. Making content that actually gets attention is way harder than it looks. You can have the best story, the best idea, or the most helpful tip, but if you can't grab people's attention in the first few seconds, none of it matters. We're all scrolling fast. You've got maybe 3 seconds to make someone stop, and if you blow it, they're gone. That's where the Viral Hook Masterclass by TMS Media comes in. It's a short, punchy course that promises to help you master those first few seconds, the part of the video that determines whether someone watches or scrolls. But is it really worth your time and money? Or is it just another overhyped course with generic advice? So in today's video, I'm going to break down what's inside, who's it for, what you can expect to learn, and whether this course actually delivers on what it promises. So first off, what is the Viral Hook Masterclass? It's a digital training program by the team at TMS Media. They are an agency that specializes in high-performing ad creatives and content strategy. And instead of trying to teach everything about content creation, this course zooms in on just one thing: how to write and structure hooks that stop the scroll. It's for creators, marketers, business owners, and editors who are already posting content but struggling to get people to watch past the first few seconds. Whether you're posting on TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, or running video ads, the goal is the same: grab attention fast and hold it. This course teaches you exactly how to do that without relying on clickbait gimmicks or over-the-top editing. Let's break down what you actually get inside the course, and more importantly, how it helps you apply it in real time. First off, understanding what makes a hook work. The course starts by explaining the why. Why do some videos take off and others flop? Even if the content itself is solid, you'll learn about the psychology behind retention, how people make split-second decisions about whether to keep watching. It breaks down common mistakes like starting with too much context, using vague language, or simply taking too long to get to the point. By the end of the section, you'll already start noticing how your current hooks might be costing you views and how to fix them. Next is the 6 proven hook types. One of the most practical pieces of this course is the breakdown of the 6 specific hook styles that work consistently across platforms. They walk you through each one in detail. The open loop that builds curiosity and leaves a question hanging, the bold statement that grabs attention through surprise or intensity, the relatable call out that makes the viewer feel instantly seen, the authority drop that builds instant credibility, and the visual disruptor that grabs attention through motion or visual pattern shifts, and the unexpected twist that flips expectations early on. What's great is that they don't just name them, they give you examples, context, and guidance for when to use each one based on your content, your platform, and your brand voice. Next is real hook breakdowns and case studies. Here's why the course gets really helpful. Instead of just talking theory, they actually show you real-world examples, videos that went viral, and break down the hooks frame by frame. You'll see how small changes in wording, visuals, or pacing completely shift the impact of a hook. It's one thing to be told what works, but seeing it in action helps it click in a much deeper way. This is especially useful if you're more of a visual learner or if you need to troubleshoot your own content and want to understand what's missing. Next is how to trigger curiosity without clickbait. We've all seen the "you won't believe what happens next" type of hooks, and we've all rolled our eyes. This section teaches you how to trigger curiosity in a way that's genuine and clean. You'll learn how to craft curiosity loops that make people want to stick around for the payoff without tricking them or overpromising. There's a clear difference between making people interested and misleading them, and this course helps you stay on the right side of that line. Next is swipe files, templates, and plug and play prompts. You also get access to a hook swipe file with fill in the blank templates and formulas that you can use for organic videos, Reels, TikToks, or even paid ads. It's like having a cheat sheet that saves you from starting from scratch every time. These are especially helpful if you're batch filming or scripting multiple videos at once. Next is platform-specific guidance. Different platforms have different viewer behavior, and this course doesn't ignore that. You'll get a quick breakdown of how to adjust your hook strategy for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Meta ads. Even things like when text appear on the screen or whether you should start with movement versus dialogue can make a big difference. They show you how to adapt your hooks without needing to reinvent your entire process for every platform. If you want to get started with the Viral Hook Masterclass, use our exclusive link in the description below. You can click that and then we'll scroll down and click Learn More. Here you can go ahead and watch a video if you want even more in depth from their side. And then if you scroll down again, you're going to get what exactly a hook is, why it's so important, 7 elements of a hook, how to make a hook that is guaranteed to stop the scroll, live videos where they break down hooks as to why they did well and elements that you can add to your videos, and so much more. They even have a 100% money back guarantee. So if you don't learn anything, you get your money back. This course is just $39.99. It's a one-time payment, which is awesome. There's no subscription required. So again, if you want to check it out, that link is in the description below. Now let's go over some of the pros and cons. One of the strongest things about this course is how focused and actionable actionable it is. A lot of creators struggle with starting strong, and this gives you a real toolkit, not just vague advice, to fix that. You walk away with structure, language, visuals, and timing ideas that you can plug right into your next video. Another pro is the tone. The teaching is direct and easy to understand with no fluff or filler. The examples make it super clear on what works and what doesn't, and the templates are a bonus if you often feel stuck. On the flip side, because it's so focused on just the hook, it's not a full content strategy course. It doesn't walk you through editing, branding, or platform growth. So if you're looking for a broader program that covers every part of content creation, this isn't it. It also assumes you're already making content or at least ready to start. If you're still in the planning stage or struggling with confidence on camera, it might feel a little advanced at first, but if you've already started posting and you're not seeing the results you want, this will give you a major edge. So if you're tired of putting content that gets ignored, this course is definitely going to hit the spot. This Viral Hook Masterclass isn't meant to teach you everything. It teaches you how to win the most important battle, which is grabbing attention in a sea full of noise. In my opinion, the most impactful lessons come from the most specific courses. You don't always need more content, you just need better hooks, better intros, better reasons for people to stick around. And that's what the Viral Hook Masterclass delivers. So if your videos are good but just not getting the reach, or if you're just tired of starting from scratch every single time you film, this could be the turning point. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you make smarter decisions when it comes to online learning. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.